Donald Trump has taken the world by surprise once again, this time, by entering the crypto space with his meme coin. His newly launched Trump coin now accounts for an incredible 89% of his wealth, bringing his estimated net worth to $63.8 billion.
Donald Trump's newly created cryptocurrency surged over the weekend.
Well, stock markets may be closed today, but the crypto markets are open, and the Trump family is indeed cashing in. Trump's net worth ballooning over the weekend thanks to that new token.
Supporters are calling it a stroke of genius, while critics are raising serious ethical concerns. So, is Trump coin a financial revolution, or a political power play disguised as a meme?
92% of crypto traders lose money. That's right, while some are flaunting their limbos. The vast majority are watching their accounts bleed. The vast majority are watching their accounts bleed. But why? And more importantly, how can you be in the winning 8%? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid the costly mistakes that wreck most investors. In this video, we'll expose the 3 biggest reasons why people lose money in crypto, the psychological traps that make them go broke, and the proven strategies that can put you ahead of the game. Let's dive in. Let's be real, most people aren't investing in crypto, they're gambling. They see that viral story of someone turning $500 into $50,000 overnight and think, I can do that too. But here's the hard truth, for every success story, there are thousands of people who lost everything chasing that same dream. They dive in without understanding the risks, blinded by the allure of quick riches. The reality is, crypto is volatile. It's not just about luck, it's about strategy, research, and timing. Those who win often have years of experience, not just a lucky hunch. So before you jump in, ask yourself, are you investing or just gambling? Because the stakes are real, and the house usually wins. You know, every time you hear someone say, this time it's different, you can't help but roll my eyes. It's like watching a kid dive into the ocean, convinced they're going to ride a tsunami just because they saw one guy do it on Instagram. Spoiler alert, they're not. History has a funny way of repeating itself, and yet you still act surprised when it does. Markets crash, trends fade, and fads come and go. But somehow, you convince yourselves that your situation is unique, that you've cracked the code. Newsflash, you haven't. It's the same old story dressed up in a new outfit. So, the next time you hear that phrase, remember, it's just a shiny distraction from the reality that, more often than not, you're all just riding the same wave, hoping it doesn't wipe us out. Every time you invest, you feel the thrill of the chase, the excitement of potential gains. But then, reality hits. You realize the biggest obstacle isn't the market or some external force, it's you. Your emotions, your impatience, your fear of missing out. You've watched yourself make impulsive decisions, selling too early or holding on too long, all because you let anxiety take the wheel. The truth is, the hidden enemy lurking in your portfolio isn't a market crash, it's your own mindset. You have to learn to trust your research, stick to your strategy, and keep your emotions in check. Only then can you truly conquer the market and become your own best ally. Fear and greed drive the crypto market like a roller coaster. You see those green candles lighting up your screen, and suddenly, FOMO kicks in. You dive in, buying high, convinced this time it's different. But then, the market shifts. Red candles appear, and panic sets in. You sell, often at a loss, feeling that sting of regret. It's a cycle that plays out over and over. The wealthy know this game well. They watch as the impatient rush in and out, while they patiently hold their assets, waiting for the right moment. They capitalize on your fear and greed, transferring wealth from those who react to those who strategize. Remember, in this game, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Ever bought a coin and watched it plummet right after? It's like a punch to the gut, right? Here's the thing, if you dive in without a plan, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Before you even think about hitting that buy button, ask yourself, what's my strategy? Are you in it for the long haul or looking for a quick flip? Research is your best friend. Understand the market trends, the project behind the coin, and the community around it. Don't just follow the hype, make informed decisions. Remember, no plan means no chance. So, map out your moves, stay disciplined, and watch your investments grow instead of shrink. Imagine this, you're scrolling through your feed, and you stumble upon an investment opportunity that promises sky-high returns with minimal risk. Sounds tempting, right? But here's the catch, this is the most dangerous mistake many investors make. It's called FOMO, or the fear of missing out. Scammers prey on this instinct, crafting slick ads and testimonials that lure you in. They create a sense of urgency, making you feel like if you don't act now, you'll miss the boat. The truth? These schemes have cost millions, leaving countless investors in the dust. Always remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay vigilant and do your homework before diving in. Your hard-earned money deserves better. Ever heard of insider dumping? It's a game rigged against you. Picture this, the big players swoop in, buying up assets while the price is low. Then, they recruit influencers to hype it up, creating a buzz that pulls you in. You see the excitement, and you think, this is my chance. So, you dive in at the peak, feeling like you're part of something big. But here's the kicker, once you're in, they cash out, leaving you holding the bag when the value plummets. It's not investing, it's a heist, and you're the target. Stay sharp, know the signs, and don't let them play you for a fool. If a project promises insane gains with zero risk, run. No one gives away money for free, and if they do, you are the product. Most people think investing is all about timing the market, waiting for that perfect moment to jump in. But here's the truth, it's not about timing, it's about time in the market. The biggest rookie mistake? Letting fear dictate your decisions. Panic selling during a dip? That's a surefire way to lose out on long-term gains. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio and stick to your strategy. Remember, even the pros can't predict every market shift. So, stop chasing trends and start thinking long-term. Consistency beats perfection every time. Your future self will thank you for it. Investing doesn't have to be a gamble. Instead of YOLOing your savings into the latest trend, consider the DCA strategy. By investing small amounts consistently, you build wealth over time without the stress of market swings. Long-term gains beat FOMO every single time. And when you do see those profits, don't just sit back. Take some gains. Paper profits are just numbers on a screen until you cash them out. Locking in your wins is crucial. Finally, ignore the hype. Dive deep into your research. If someone's pushing a get-rich-quick scheme, remember, they're the ones getting rich, not you. Stay smart, stay informed, and let your investments work for you. Now you know why most people lose money in crypto, and how you can be different. But there's still one secret that separates the top 1% of investors from everyone else. If you want to know what it is, stay tuned for my next video. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more money-making insights, and let me know in the comments, what's the biggest mistake you've made in crypto? Let's learn together. I remember diving into crypto, convinced I'd strike it rich overnight. I invested heavily in a trending coin without doing my homework. Spoiler alert, it tanked. The lesson? Research is key. Understand the project, the team behind it, and the market trends. Don't just follow the hype. Another mistake? Panic selling during a dip. I watched my investment plummet and sold out of fear, only to see it rebound days later. Patience is crucial in this game. So, what's your biggest blunder? Share it below. Let's turn our mistakes into stepping stones for success.